Welcome back to App IQ, and today I'm going to show you how to work with frames in Canva. Since frames allow you to crop images into creative shapes, let us do this with this graphic here. Now to access frames, go over to your left panel and go to Elements. In the search bar, you are going to type frames. There are selections of frames to choose from. So what you need to internalize is what you're actually going for, the type of frame that you want for this design. First, let us duplicate this, and we're going to work with this first page. So let us use one of these frames. Select See All to see a wide variety of frames. Look for one that is in a rectangular shape, and this one works. Then you're going to select this image. What you want to do is remove image from the background and duplicate it. So we're going to put this one back as the background, but this one I want to remove the background from it because what I'm going to do is put her in the frame. So resize firstly so that it matches the original. You can also crop because we do not need all that space anymore. Now you can drag the image and place it into the frame. Now it can be added here above the original. Now that's one way to use frames. Secondly, go into the duplicate design. Let's pull up frames again. And now we have graphics frame that we can play with. So I'm going to select this one and just put it around her image. And now there she is inside of a frame. Nice. We do not necessarily need the text, so let's just remove that. Also, you can adjust the image. So what you can do is double click the image inside the frame, and here it pulls up the crop tab. From here you can rotate, and then when you're finished you select done. So what you need to do is select the image, go to the toolbar and select edit, and from here you can add any filter that you want to this image. And that's just about it. Very easy and very simple.